Attention marketers, content creators, digital entrepreneurs, and action takers. What if you could tap into one of the fastest growing AI income opportunities today, own the product that teaches it, and keep 100% of every sale you make? Because starting today, you can. We're living in a time where AI is no longer optional. It's transforming how people create digital products, how businesses market and sell, and how everyday beginners generate income online. And at the center of it all is one powerful shift: AI-powered income systems. But here's the problem. Most people don't know how to turn AI into real income, don't know what to create or sell, don't know how to scale without wasting time, and many get stuck trying to figure everything out from scratch. That's where you step in. Because now, you don't have to build anything yourself. You can own a ready-made product, teach others how to use AI for income, position yourself as an expert, and profit from one of the biggest AI opportunities right now. Introducing AI Cash Hack Blueprint for Beginners with PLR, your complete, income-ready system that teaches people how to unlock simple AI cash strategies for online income, automation, and digital profits, and gives you full private label rights so you can rebrand it as your own, resell it unlimited times, keep 100% of every sale, build a scalable AI income business. This isn't theory. This is a done-for-you AI beginner blueprint you can start selling immediately. Here's what you get inside. AI Cash Hack Blueprint, PLR. 5 high-quality training videos, beginner-friendly, step-by-step videos showing how to use AI tools to generate income, create simple digital products, build passive income systems, and automate tasks using tools like ChatGPT. Complete step-by-step training guide. A proven blueprint that teaches real-world AI cash methods from idea generation to launching profitable digital assets. 5 audio versions. Perfect for learning on the go or repurposing into podcast-style content for your audience. 5 raw video files. Fully editable so you can customize, brand, and position yourself as an AI income expert. 5 professional presentation slides, PPT. Perfect for webinars, workshops, coaching programs, or selling high-value AI training. Plus, all marketing materials done for you, so you don't have to create anything from scratch. High-converting sales copy, ready-to-use sales video, professional graphics, animated banners, email swipe files, conversion-optimized mini sites, legal pages, social media creatives, PDF graphics, chapter visuals. And because we reward fast action takers, you'll also receive Fast Action Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet, instant, easy-to-follow frameworks that help you generate AI-based income ideas in minutes. Fast Action Bonus 2, Mind Map, a visual system that shows exactly how to turn AI ideas into income streams step by step. Fast Action Bonus 3, Top Resources Report, a curated list of the best AI tools for content, automation, and online earnings. With AI Cash Hack Blueprint for Beginners, PLR, you can build instant authority in the AI money-making space, sell a premium AI course without creating content, offer beginner-friendly AI services, create multiple passive income streams. Start earning today, not weeks or months from now. This is more than just a product. It's a ready-made AI income system, fully packaged, fully done for you, fully yours. All you have to do is download, rebrand, upload, and get paid. That's it. The AI money revolution is happening right now. Beginners are looking for simple ways to earn online. Digital buyers are investing in AI education, and demand for easy-to-follow systems is growing fast. This is your opportunity to be the seller, not the consumer. So don't wait. Take action now. Unlock your PLR license. Start selling AI Cash Hack Blueprint today. Because the people who leverage AI income systems today will dominate digital earnings tomorrow. Click the button now and get instant access. Your AI-powered income journey starts the moment you do.